facing. Now, when we talk about celebrating Earth Day, the things that comes to our mind are planting one more tree, cleaning up parks, or posting pictures on social media saying happiest Earth Day. But it is not like that. Earth Day is not just about planting trees or cleaning up parks. It's about understanding that our choices matters. Every time we are choosing to recycle, use less plastic, or save water, we are helping our planet. Always remember, our resources are limited. We should use them wisely. Now, let's talk about the challenges that the Earth is facing. Right now, Earth is facing several severe challenges like climate change, pollution, deforestation, loss of wildlife, and many more. These problems are not for the future. It is all happening right now. It is the same that the human race is challenged more than ever before to demonstrate our mastery not over the nature but over ourselves. So, we need to control our habits and make better choices for the environment. What can we do? Let me tell you. First, educate ourselves. By learning about environmental issues, we will be able to make wise choices for the environment. Second, we should use less energy and we should be mindful of how we live. Simple things like walking, biking, or using public transport instead of driving can help. Always remember, in every walk with nature, one sees far more than he sees. I repeat, in every walk with nature, one sees far more than he sees. Also, we can organize some community work like cleanup events and work in community, as alone we can do so little, together we can do much more. I repeat, alone we can do so little, together we can do much more.